Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete a post from your Nextdoor feed. To delete a post from your Nextdoor news feed, first of all, you'll need to be logged into nextdoor.com. Open up a web browser and type in nextdoor.com in the URL box. Once you sign into your Nextdoor account, go ahead and get to the post you would like to delete. Click the cross icon right next to the post you want to delete from your newsfeed, and you will notice that the post has been cleared right away. If you've made a mistake, you can undo it by clicking the undo button and the post will be back again. So that's how you easily remove or delete a post from your Nextdoor newsfeed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.